What's up, y'all? Caleb with Woodshop here. After about a year of not posting anything, sorry for that. I've got a pretty neat project here today. It's very simple. It's pretty much just two little boxes. For my dedicated viewers, I thought I would give a little explanation to my hiatus. My second son was born. I got a new job, and around that same time, we got hit with a global pandemic. It's not a sub story or anything, but with all that stuff going on top of feeling a little discouraged with my efforts here on YouTube, and just kind of hitting roadblocks with project ideas, and also trying to make something every week, and dabbling in the luthier stuff, just running out of space and all kinds of stuff, and then the transition into my new job and getting used to that and new schedules while having a second child to take care of. I needed some time to cut something out, and that was what I cut out. Still been doing some woodworking, not as much, just made some more of those colonial candle boxes and a lot of wood seasonal decorations. Yeah, and also about a year ago, my wife told me that she wants some toilet trays to go on the backs of the toilets, and here we're making it now. I got some lovely spalted tamarind wood, which I will be using to make these little trays. Y'all like my hat? It's my Indiana Jones hat. It's kind of new, so of course I'm gonna wear it. Since I'm making two, I've selected 4 pieces that I will use for the base of each little tray. I even got a brand new glue bot just for the occasion. Man, my shop is really kind of fallen into a state of disrepair for a while, especially lately because it is spring cleaning time, and so lots of stuff that we are moving from the house or reorganizing from the house is temporarily out here, especially since I haven't been using my shop. I do gotta say though, y'all have been fantastic, because it has been over a year. My last video was posted January of 2021. My subscriber count has continued to go up. I still get comments, and I've pursued some other hobbies in the meantime. Toy photography, kind of for my own personal enjoyment, and I made an Instagram account for that. I hopped on the TikTok bandwagon, and I was doing some TikToks, just talking stuff and telling like goofy stories and whatnot, and it was funny because there were people on there that were like, "Hey, are you that guy from Woodshop?" And I couldn't believe it, because like I said, one of the reasons I took a break in the first place was because I was feeling discouraged with my efforts on YouTube. And so for the fact several people that are like, "Hey, you're the dude from Woodshop. I missed your videos," like that was cool. I've also been really dabbling in the realm of leatherworking. I'm not that great at it. I think I did a tiny bit of some leatherworking type things on here, just a little bit. I also started another YouTube channel for those who are interested. It is called The Galactic Table, and it is a Star Wars YouTube channel. Any of y'all are interested in that sort of thing? It doesn't have a whole lot of content on there yet. Gotten a lot more blippy in my life since we last met. I have the blade set to about half the thickness of the wood, and since the spalting looks kind of different on each side, I picked my show face sides and what I want to be the top and the bottom. So with that orientation figured out, I'm just gonna make a few passes to create a dado on these, so the bottom panels can easily just slide into the sides. And with that initial cut made, then I could just tap my fence over a little bit and I can make more passes. And with only 3 of those passes, I ended up with a really nice dado where this panel fits perfectly in there. That fits in there, not too snug, but it's not too loose. That's nice. That's nice. I could cut all the sides down to their proper size. Before I get everything sanded and glued together, I've taken the short sides and used some carpet tape to stick them together so I could do a little decorative swoop. And I'm going to use this can, and I'm just going to eyeball it because I'm a heathen. I want the spalting to be the star of the show, not the cuts that I make. But this will still be nice, and it'll be a fairly deep dent where you could get your thumbs through there and carry the little tray. Alright, so I skipped some fiddly little bits with the sanding. To be fair, that's not very exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and glue these up. I sanded the insides to a finish ready surface, but not the outsides yet. After the glue is dry, I will do that. And the only thing I'm gluing is just these insides. I cut some rabbets here, and that's the only thing that will be glued. The panel will free float inside, and I'm gonna try to use some rubber bands as clamps for this. One thing I've learned from all that luthier stuff is using a brush glue into these like little corners and stuff. Now all I can do is hope that these rubber bands will stretch and not break. Oh, they don't break. Oh, that one broke. Ow, it snapped my bell. Damn, how did I get one to fit on there? Since these will be living out their life in the bathroom, I'm finishing them with lacquer so they'll have a protection against the moisture. And here we have our completed toilet trays. I think they came out very nice. Nice and shiny and lacquered. A nice accent for your bathroom. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, then feel free to subscribe to the channel. Again, going back to what I said at the beginning of this video, I'm not sure when I will have more project videos. You know, I used to make them weekly, but I'm not sure right now. I've got some other stuff going on. I do really want to get around to making that new spice rack. I also have some old archived Means Woodshop projects that I haven't finished, so I will probably try to get around to getting those done, and those would probably be what you see next. I did get a new camera since then, so you might notice that the quality is better. So if I use those old from the vault archived videos, then you might notice the quality isn't as good as this, but it's something. And so, some of them are some pretty good projects. I just stopped around that time and never got those videos edited, so I'll try to get those up too, because they were some pretty good stuff. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.